In a world where attendance tracking can be tedious and fragmented, one solution rises to meet the challenge. Meet PI BioSync, the two-way biometrics attendance app that links your face and finger devices directly to the Odoo Attendance Module in real time. PI BioSync ensures instant data sync to your Odoo dashboard, giving HR teams and managers immediate access to attendance logs. Whether it's face recognition or fingerprint scanning, each record updates in real time, no delays, no discrepancies. Powerful benefits include real-time accuracy, eliminate manual errors by automatically syncing attendance data, multi-device support, manage a variety of face and finger devices under one unified system, two-way communication, employee data flows both ways, ensuring updates happen instantly and seamlessly, effortless scalability, easily add more devices or locations as your business grows. With multi-location support, you can monitor multiple branches in one centralized view. Set up and manage custom groups, device assignments, and tailor your attendance settings for each department or branch. Behind the scenes, PI BioSync's advanced framework ensures robust and reliable data flow, so your workforce analytics are always accurate, up-to-date, and ready for reporting or payroll processing. Designed with user experience in mind, our intuitive interface lets HR professionals and managers configure settings and run reports. No specialized tech skills required. Visit www.primacyinfoject.com or contact us to learn more.